Hey. This is my cat Vanity, and he's Lucky. How you doing, guys? Ooh, it's fast. Fast action. Oh, a tail went in the water. Oh. Do you want to come play, Van? Vanity? Come and join. Are you too much? Are you too old? Too serious today? Too old to play? Every day is a game with Shorthair Cats. Ooh. How are you guys all doing? Thanks for joining us for a game. If you like videos of cats, consider subscribing to Shorthair Cats, where we post videos like this every day of our cats. The life and times of our cats. Woof. So this girl here, her name's Lucky. She's a British short-haired cat. I think she wants to go out and play with her friend Luna. That was so fast. Super fast. There's always time for a game with Shorthair Cats. We do our jobs, but we also make time for fun every day. That's what it's all about, isn't it? If there's no fun, there's no point. Eh? That's the whole point of this channel. For fun. Fun with cats. Let's see how high she can jump. Come, let's see. Can you jump? Come on. Whoa! How high can you jump? Come on. Can you jump? Whoa! Oh, someone else has come to join. This is Fluffy. That was a surprise. I wasn't expecting you, Fluff. My wife just let Fluffy in. Fluffy must have heard the sound of this toy, and she must have decided she wanted to come in for some of the action. Hope you're not going to be grumpy, Fluff. come and spoil our game. We're having fun there. Don't be too serious. Ooh. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Lucky's getting a bit tired now, so I think it's maybe time for, or maybe she's not tired. Maybe it's time for a sleep. Thanks for joining us at Shorthair Cats, and we will see you in the next video. All the best. Bye. Bye. Say bye, Fluff. Say bye.